Question 6, assuming the temperature is constant, what could be the condition that give us graph W? So graph W, what we are seeing is we are seeing half the yield, but a greater rate. Half the yield, but a greater rate. So most probably, one of the reactants has been half. Because the reactants are half, that's why the yield will be half. And we're seeing a greater rate, so we are expecting to see a more concentrated reactant. So if we look back at the question, the original uses 0.5 mole per dnq HCl and 500 ml of it and 1 gram carbonate. Okay, you can determine the limiting reagent and you'll find that the limiting reagent is actually this. You can do your calculation and find the limiting reagent. So carbonate was a limiting reagent. Okay, so if we have a lesser yield, most probably we have a lesser carbonate. We are having lesser carbonate, and yet we are having a greater rate. Most probably we are having a more concentrated HCl, which increases the rate, but the decrease in the limiting reagent decreases the yield. So answer is D for question 6.